Welcome to the Complete 101 Guide for Invisalign. Here I will be talking about Invisalign. We will be talking about the cost for the Invisalign, time duration for the Invisalign, what to expect before and after the treatment, how you can keep your Invisalign clean, and what to do if you break your Invisalign, etc. and etc. So let's start. Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Dr. Nida Sheikh from Dento Magic. If you are already a Dento Magic family, then welcome back, and if you are new to the channel, then welcome here. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are interested in such videos. We will be talking about the most important things that you should know before starting your journey of Invisalign. First thing is Invisalign treatment painful? The answer is no. You might feel pressure at some point, and there will be a time when you will feel pressure in different spot, but no pain. And even if you change your aligners, you might feel pressure in different spot, but there will be no pain. And this pressure will subside at most in 2 to 3 days, so you don't have to worry. And there are some people who don't feel pressure at all. Don't worry about that too, because it is normal. So now you don't have to worry about the pain at all if you want to get it. The second thing, how will you know if you are the candidate for Invisalign? Yes, not everyone is the candidate for Invisalign. The best way to know if you are the candidate, then you have to go and get a consultation from your dentist to know. And then we'll go over your options and decide what is best for you. So this is the most important step to figure out if you are the candidate for Invisalign. Third thing is, what are the things that you should do before getting Invisalign? The things that you should get it done are cleaning, that is also known as scaling, fillings and crowns. Why these are done before Invisalign? Because if we take the impression today for Invisalign and you get your filling or crown after Invisalign impression, the tray of Invisalign won't fit in your mouth and all the hard work will go in vain. So it is important for you to undergo these procedures before Invisalign. And the exception for Invisalign are implants and bridges. Why? Because Invisalign causes change in position of your tooth, and implant and bridges doesn't move. So it is important for you to go for Invisalign first and then implant. Thing is, what to expect before Invisalign. It's been crazy seeing people coming to me and saying to give them Invisalign tray on the same day. But telling you this, that it is not possible, because on the first day we examine your mouth and tell you if you are the one for Invisalign or not. And if you are the one, then we take the impression of your mouth, and it takes around 4 to 6 weeks to complete the Invisalign tray, as we have to inspect it and send it to the lab for you to get the perfect results. Fifth thing is, what is the average time for Invisalign treatment to show result? It totally depends on your condition of your teeth and how much you want them to improvise. Typically, it takes 12 to 18 months to complete the treatment, but in the severe cases or the more complex cases, it may take around 24 months or more. You have to have a little bit patience. The sixth thing is, what are attachment and how do they work? Attachment are little dimples that we bond to your teeth so that there is some added leverage to move your teeth. As your teeth are flat surface, there are some movement in them, like rotation or torque, that cannot be levered until there is a little dimple on your teeth. Know the process of bonding of attachment, comment down below now and I will come up with a video for you. The other thing is, for how long you should be wearing your aligners every day. For the most predictable and reliable result, you should wear your aligners for 18 to 22 hours per day, and for 2 weeks each aligners. Now, the people who love tea and coffee must be thinking if they can have tea or coffee with their aligners on. The answer is no. As coffee and tea are the most strong staining liquids, they can stain your aligners as well as your teeth. So it is advisable to remove your aligners before drinking them. I would also recommend, if you are so deadly want to have it, you can have a light colored tea or coffee with no sugar at room temperature. Or you can use a straw to drink it. The most important tip is always remember to remove your aligners before drinking or eating anything. Many people come and ask me if their speech will be affected due to aligners. The answer is yes. Anytime you put anything new in your mouth, there will be a defect in your speech. As aligners are very thin and more closely to your teeth, and once your tongue adapts the new position, all the mispronunciation and the defects in your speech will disappear. So there is nothing to worry about. The next thing is, what will you do if you mix and match your aligners? The bag of aligners have the patient ID as well as the number of the aligners, so you don't have to worry. The top row indicates the ID number of the patient, and the second row you will see a U. U represents the upper tray and L represents the lower tray, and also the aligner number. So just match the numbers on the aligner bag and on the aligner, and you're good to go and wear it. The question arises how you can keep your aligners clean. For keeping your aligners clean, you can brush your aligners with a toothbrush and a soapy water and wash them before you use. The another option is you can soak your aligners in a water with a cleaning tablet. If you don't have a cleaning tablet, you can again use the soapy water and wash them before you use. And if you want to know more options how to clean your aligners, then comment down below now and I will come up with a video for you guys. How can you keep your aligners safe? You can keep your aligners safe by keeping them in their case only whenever you are not using them. And do not, I repeat, do not keep them in a napkin or wrap it in a napkin, as anyone else can think it is a trash and throw it in a dustbin, and you don't want that to happen. And the most important thing is, if you have a pet, then keep the aligners away from them, as it has a smell of you and animals have a habit of chewing it. So they will chew it and destroy it, and you don't want that to happen either. So be careful. In the worst scenario, what happens if you lose or break your aligner? You don't have to worry, you just have to contact your dentist immediately and tell them the problem. Most frequent question asked is, what is the cost of Invisalign treatment? Invisalign treatment is a little bit expensive as compared to the braces. But these days, people are more oriented towards the Invisalign as they are not visible to the people. So the cost is around $3,000 to $7,000, and in India it starts from 15,000 to 40,000 rupees and upwards. Last but not the least, what happens after the treatment is completed? After the Invisalign treatment is completed, we provide you with the retainer. We recommend you wearing retainer at night time for lifetime. Yes. For more further detailed video on after the treatment of Invisalign, comment down below and let me know. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope this video has helped you in any way. Before you know it, you'll have that amazing smile on your face. If you like the video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as it makes a huge difference, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to be a Dental Magic family. And ta-da!